In this quick video, I'll show you how to import PDF into Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to import PDF, firstly we need to click on File, then click on Open. Now select the PDF file you want to import in Photoshop. I have these 3 PDF files open. I want to open this PDF file. I need to click on it and then click on Open. Now you can see, you will see this pop-up where we need to select the pages we want to import in Photoshop. In my case, I have 8 pages. I need to select the pages, or I can simply hold Ctrl on my keyboard and select the multiple pages just like so. I can disable it. I want to import this one page, so for that I will just select this page. We can select it as pages, images and 3D. I will set it to pages. Also we can edit some more settings in which we can change the image size and resolution. Once you are satisfied with your settings, then click on OK. Once you click on it, your PDF will be imported on the new tab as a layer. We can copy this layer and paste it to our another tab just like so. This is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.